Hi, I'm money, the thing you chase every day, and somehow, poof, I vanish. People think I make life easier. Cute idea. Spoiler, I don't. Work harder? You still feel broke? Politicians? They say they can fix me. That's adorable. But nope, they can't. I'm way more complicated. So, today, my story. Why rent eats your raise. Why debt steals your future. Why stress never leaves, even with a job. Don't panic. It's not you. It's me. I'm the problem. I was built this way. Get ready. This is the money story your school skipped. Simple, funny, and painfully true. What am I, really? I'm not just paper. Not just numbers on a screen. I'm a container. I hold your time for the future. Every dollar you earn, just today's time, saved for tomorrow. Picture an hourglass. Your hours drip in. They turn into money, waiting for the future. So where does your money go? Some of it flows into your future container, storing tomorrow's hours, so you can use them later. But not all of it stays there. Some slips into the wrong containers. Now imagine two hourglasses. One leaks from the bottom. That's inflation, shrinking your past time. The other takes sand before it falls. That's debt, stealing from your future. But first, let's look at inflation. For example, 1 hour, 1 paycheck, $15. Back then, a latte was $3. Your hour equals 5 lattes. Now, $7. Same hour, same pay, 2 lattes. See the trick? Your past time just shrank. That's inflation. Your hard work sliced thinner every year. And debt? That's the evil twin. You borrow from future you, plus interest. So even hours you haven't worked yet, already chained.
Ugh.
Inflation, debt, two hungry thieves, both stealing pieces of your life. Debt and Power, David Graeber. Next up, anthropologist David Graeber. And his theme? Debt and power. He said money's story didn't start with coins or markets. Nope. Day one, it was already about IOUs and control. People think I began with simple trade. You know, fish for veggies right away. Here's my fish. Thanks, here's your broccoli. Cute idea, but nope. Anthropologist David Graeber showed I started with debt and power. Picture this. Fish today, veggies next week. Cloth now, pay me at harvest. The first money, not coins, not bills. 5,000 years ago, it was a glowing IOU. That means, I owe you. A promise. Tying you to someone else. Then governments showed up. That IOU, now it's taxes. Freedom, gone. That loan, soldiers will collect. Pay or obey. Trust between neighbors became a leash of power. From day one, I was never neutral. I was a weapon. The Great Transformation, Karl Polanyi. Next story comes from Karl Polanyi's Great Transformation. The short version? Back then, life was the boss, and the economy was just a sidekick. Fix a neighbor's roof? You'd get a bag of rice. Share veggies at the festival? Done deal. The market wasn't running the show, it was just background music. But then, flip? Fix a roof? That's $20 an hour. Veggies? $3 a kilo. Suddenly, life had to serve the market. No money, no entry. And what happened? Community shrank, anxiety ballooned, and guess who took the driver's seat? Yeah, me, money? Spoiler, I never learned how to brake. So now, instead of living by helping each other, we live by price tags. Freedom and Isolation, Georg Simmel. Remember Karl Polanyi's The Great Transformation? That book showed how community shrank, and the market took the driver's seat. In other words, money grabbed the wheel. This story picks up right there, with German sociologist Georg Simmel and his classic, The Philosophy of Money. His lesson? Money expands freedom, but it also isolates us, and even slaps price tags on human relationships. Back then, human worth wasn't measured in money. It was measured in trust and mutual help. Neighbors fixed each other's roofs, the whole village raised children together, and supporting the home was honored, even without income. But today, homemakers get told, no income, no value. Elders get labeled as burdens. Even raising children is called an investment. calculated by education costs and future returns. What used to be pure cooperation is now reduced to cost-benefit math. That's Simmel's warning. Georg Simmel had a spicy take. Money expands freedom, but also isolates us. Because of me, you can Uber with strangers, shop from Tokyo, Paris, or Amazon Prime, move anywhere, without even knowing your neighbor's name. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the bill. Friendship, that's coffee money. Dating, dinner and movie tickets. Marriage, wedding bills and a lifetime mortgage. Kids, education fees, a 6-figure loan. Once, human value came from helping each other. Now I put a price tag on every bond. The more freedom I hand out, the lonelier you get. That's the hidden price tag of freedom. That's me. Freedom served with a side of emptiness. The Rule of Inequality, Thomas Piketty. Next lesson comes from French economist Thomas Piketty and his bestseller Capital in the 21st Century. Here's the big takeaway. Wealth grows faster than wages, so the gap keeps getting bigger. Piketty proved it with data. Capital grows faster than wages, or in math terms, R is greater than G. Translation? When you own assets, your money makes more money. When you just work, you're stuck going nowhere. Example, rich guy with $1 million in stocks, 10% return, that's $100,000 while he's asleep. Worker makes $30,000 a year. 2% raise, that's $600. 10 years later, rich guy richer. Worker stuck. And here's the point. It's not laziness. It's the system. And Piketty even proved it with math. Same story Graeber showed in Debt, the first 5,000 years. From day one, money meant debt and power. Exactly. I reward the asset holders, not the hard workers. Who wrote the rules? Of course, me, money. And don't forget, Graeber was right. I was born out of debt and out of power. It's been unfair since the beginning. Modern Inequality, Joseph Stiglitz. Now it's my turn to quote another human genius, Nobel Prize guy Joseph Stiglitz and his book, The Price of Inequality. What's his lesson? Leave me, money, alone, and I don't make fairness. I make inequality. Look around. Factories? I shipped them overseas. Stable jobs? Gone. Wages? Frozen. Meanwhile, global me zips around, snapping up houses in Vancouver, New York, London, and boom, your rent goes turbo mode. So you hustle harder, but housing costs sprint even faster. You feel stuck? Not because you're weak, but because the game is tilted like a casino. And Stiglitz warns, when I tilt the game too far, it's not just workers who suffer. I poison democracy itself, because I stop being a tool and start buying politics. So yeah, factories, rent, politics, it's all mine. Don't blame yourself. Blame me, money. Innovation Paradox, Mariana Mazzucato. Next up, Innovation Paradox. From economist Mariana Mazzucato, professor at UCL and author of The Entrepreneurial State. Her big point. Here's what you need to know. Innovation? Paid for by you. Profits? Pocketed by someone else. Take your phone. GPS? Funded by government. Internet? Government? Touchscreen? Yup. Public research, your taxes. But the profits? Apple. Shareholders. And you? You still pay $1,200 for the upgrade. That's my rule. I'm money. Society takes the risk, a few players take the reward, and you get stuck paying twice. So yeah, technology moves forward, but under my system, instead of making your life easier, it just raises the price of admission. End of chapter 1. So that's the story so far. From debt and power, to markets taking over life, to freedom laced with isolation, to wealth rules that keep the rich winning, and even innovation turning into another unfair game. This is how I, money, was built. Not neutral, not fair. From day one, I've been tilted. And yes, politicians play their part. Taxes, wages, welfare. They can make things a little fairer or a lot worse. But here's the truth. They can't cure the system itself. They don't run inflation. They don't control interest rates. They can't rewrite my core. And that's chapter 1. Next time, we'll look at the players who run me today. Not politicians, but central banks. The limits of their power, and how you can protect yourself your happiness, and your future. Thanks for watching Soralexia, where nonsense meets meaning.